Hey guys, Sinful here, and today I thought we would go ahead and do a review, sort of different fall and winter nail polishes that I have purchased for this/last year. So I purchased them fall, and then, you know, fall is past, but now it's winter, so anyway, just wanted to show you guys some cool colors and some definitely cool prices that I got on these nail polishes, and some of them are my favorite kind of nail polishes because they don't chip so they don't chip so easily, which for me is a definite must because I have to clean and do laundry and stuff, so my nails get absolutely destroyed. So these last about 4 to 5 days, which for me is amazing. So I just wanted to show you guys, and I guess let me just show you some colors. So if you hear jingling, it's because I have the nail polishes in my lap. So anyway, so I wanted to show you guys some nail polish that I got for an after Christmas sale, I guess. I was at Target, and during Christmas, you know how they have those like beauty sets and stuff? They had one for e.l.f. nail polish, which was I think $10 or like $9.88 or something crazy. Anyway, it was really cheap for, I think it was like 10 nail polishes, so basically $1 a nail polish, which they are tiny bottles, but I just thought they were really cute winter fun colors, so I wanted to get these. And I've never tried e.l.f. nail polish before, so I thought I'd give it a go. And since it was after Christmas sale, the sets were on sale for $5, which made it even better. So if they still have these definitely at your store, I would check them out. I mean, they're pretty good. So let me just show you what colors you can get if you were to purchase this, or if you did purchase it and you haven't tried it yet. And there were only 3 colors I thought in here that weren't necessarily like fall or winterish in my opinion, but they'll be perfect for, you know, spring coming up, so I wanted to show you guys those separately. So these are the 3 that I thought were not necessarily fall or winter colors, just because they're a little bit brighter. I mean, this one is definitely like a very nude nail polish, so it's not, you know, bad for winter, but I personally prefer darker, sparklier colors for winter, just, you know, to bring a little life back into the winter. This is the next color. I know reds are super popular for winter, but this one's just a little bit too bright for me. It's like really on the corally side, so I really do like it, but it's just on the brighter side, so that's why I think it'll be better for spring maybe. And the last one is hot pink, which I also think will definitely be better for spring. And all of these, I would say, definitely need at least 2 coats of polish, and they're kind of watery in consistency, so they're not the best, but I will say they've definitely lasted longer than I thought they would. And they didn't dry, it didn't take too long to dry either. They probably took as long as the other nail polish I'm going to show you, which is about 5 minutes per coat, and I use the same top gel polish for both of them, so just give you an idea. So the other 7 nail polishes that were in the kit were definitely more wintry flavored, wintry colors in my opinion. So I'll just show you those really quick here. So this is the purple one, and as far as I know, none of these really have names. I just thought that one was really perfect for winter. I have this dark, beautiful, like blood red color. Then we have this awesome sparkly color, kind of like a pink sparkle. Then we have this like darker copper color. Then we have this goldish sparkly color, and with this gold one, it's definitely more of a topper. This one, if you wanted to get it to opacity, would take probably 4 coats at least, but it's really cute. It's really cute as a topper. Then we have this like mauve-y pink, which I think is just so pretty. And the last one is this kind of like brownish, taupish, nudish color, which I really personally love for this time of year. Jesus. Okay. So that was all the Can I talk? So that was all the e.l.f. nail polish. Now the other ones I want to show you are from Sinful colors, and these I buy at Walmart. They're super duper cheap and super duper amazing. I just want to show you which ones I bought for fall and winter, just so you guys can, you know, see, I guess. So these are the 3 colors that I bought for fall and winter, and I love them. I wore this green one for Christmas because it's green and sparkly. It does turn out definitely more almost black on your nails, so it is kind of hard to tell. It definitely looks really green in the bottle, but on your nails it really does look pretty dark, but I personally like a darker nail anyway. Then we have this brown color, which is really cute. I really loved this one for fall, and I wear it all the time now. And the last one is this like sparkly, shiny, nudish, taupish color, which I absolutely also freaking adore. And it's kind of cool because it's got like different colors of sparkles. And then this is the top coat that I use for all of the nails. I use it on just the e.l.f. ones too. It's like the best top coat ever. It dries fast and it's really hard and resistant to damage. So, I mean, for me, like I said, they last 4 to 5 days, which is really good for me. But, you know, for other people, they probably last longer. And this is the base coat that I use. It's Sally Hansen Ultimate Shield. And, I mean, it's okay. I mean, obviously, I've used a lot of it because I use it every time I put on my nails just to help them so they don't, like, completely get destroyed. But it's, you know, it works. It dries, this dries really, really quick, too. So, I mean, if you use it as a top coat, it'd probably be, you know, really fast drying. But I like it as a base coat just because it helps removing the nail polish and protecting my nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video about nail polish, and if you guys like these kinds of videos, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!